warm welcome to your Pedia Global, and this is Shikha. So friends, if you are also preparing for the Ielts exam, let me tell you types of essay today in the writing module, and is writing task 2, which is an essay writing. So we must understand what are the different types of essay so that we can solve the questions accordingly, right? So there are mainly 4 types of essay which we need to be which we can see or expect in Ielts examination, and today I am going to discuss all those essays in this particular video. So let's get started and understand one by one in easiest way. Okay, so this is types of essay. Writing task 2. As we know, writing task 2 is an essay writing, right? So which is kind of generic essay or generic statement, and we need to be give our opinion on that particular statement in 4 paragraphs, which includes introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2 and conclusion, right? So yes, let me start with the first type of essay. First is basically 2-part essay, right? Now what is 2-part essay? 2-part, as its name suggests, it will be consisting 2 parts in a single question, right? Let's suppose what are the advantages and disadvantages of living and working in a foreign nation, right? This is 2 parts. What are the problems and causes, basically, or you can say what are the causes and consequences of teenagers are being involved in unlawful activities or in drug addiction or something like that, right? Problems, solutions, causes, effects, causes, consequences, right? Advantages, disadvantages, benefits, drawbacks. These are the 2 parts question, right? Let me tell you basically. As we are discussing this 2-part basically 2-part essay. So basically let me tell you, इसमें कौन से the words are there which you need to be kept in mind while you are solving this kind of particular essay. So this is benefits, drawbacks, means it is including 2 parts and we need to be address both of these, right? Advantages, disadvantages, right? This is also the 2-part question. Then problems and solution, right? Causes and effects. These all are basically 2 parts question. Now how we need to be address it out basically, okay? As introduction, body para 1, we need to be address the causes, right? Body para 2, we need to address the effects and conclusion. This is basically the ideal structure, and this is how we need to be address these 2 parts, because there are 2 parts in a single question. So it means हमें दोनों को address करना है in a essay. 2 ideas we need to be right related to the problems, and 2 ideas we need to be right related to the solutions, something like that. And whenever you see these kinds of things, it means this is a 2-part question. This is a direct question only, so you don't need to be worried about that it is confusing or time taken or something like that. No, it's very easy to understand. You just need to be check on these words. These are the keywords, you need to be check it out, right? Talking about the next type of essay, next is basically descriptive type. Descriptive, or you can say opinion based, okay? Whenever you see कि descriptive type या opinion based question है, how you need to be go with that. This particular essay is basically whatever the statement is given to you, there will be a word that is discuss, and you need to be take care of this. Let's suppose maybe there can be 1 view or there can be 2 views. In descriptive type, there can be 1 view in the question or there can be 2 views as well, right? सो वी नीड टू बी डिस्कस दैट ओनली, ठीक है. जो भी क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है, वट एवर द स्टेटमेंट इज गिवन टू यू, वी जस्ट नीड टू बी एक्सप्लेन इट, वी जस्ट नीड टू बी जस्टिफाई. लेट्स सपोज some people believe or some people argue, some people, the word some people think, some people believe, some people argue, it means that is a descriptive type or opinion based essay, right? Some people believe that children should go to school at a very early age, right? Whereas teaching moral values is the, like, or you can say the parents are the first teacher of the, like, I can say the children. That is the another view. Now there are two views. आपको you have to be like justify both of these views. How you are going to be? अगर तो वो दो views हैं, right? अगर वो दो views हैं basically, so let me tell you, if there are two views, so we have to be address it like that. Introduction, then it comes to BP1. So you have to be justify, explain the first view, and BP2 we have to be justify second view. This is something we need to be go with that, right? It means उस स्टेटमेंट के एंड में हमेशा लिखा होगा दैट डिस्कस, एंड उसका बेसिकली मीनिंग इज दैट लाइक you have to be discuss, you have to be justify, you have to be explain whatever given in this particular statement. That's it, right? This is something the descriptive type of essay, opinion based essay you can say. It can be one, अगर one view है तो आपको उसके यहाँ पर भी one view आपको explain करना है, and यहाँ पर भी two ideas of first view and two ideas. If there will be two views तो first view यहाँ आएगा and second view यहाँ आएगा, ठीक है? Something you need to be go with, right? This is the second type of essay, that is descriptive type and I can say opinion based. Third comes argumentative. Please understand this carefully. This is something important. Argumentative type of essay. Now argumentative type is something, one argument will be given to you in statement, in question statement, and you need to be basically justify it. Do you agree or disagree? How far do you agree or disagree? To what extent do you agree or disagree? See how you need to be identify. There will be three kind of statement if there will be argumentative type of essay. First is, do you agree or disagree? Right? Second will be, how far do you agree or disagree? Right? Or you can say to what extent, to what extent do you agree or disagree, right? Or one more is, do disadvantages outweigh the advantages? Whenever you see these four kind of statement after any question, you need to be understand that this is the argumentative type of essay. Majorly it is to define, do you agree or disagree? How far do you agree or disagree? Something like that need to be take care of, right? How you need to be go with now, ठीक है? मान लो कोई भी argumentative type of essay है, ठीक है? What you need to be do is, there is a statement given, ठीक है, that increasing the rate of fuel can I can say that yes, reduce the traffic congestion. How far, like, do you agree or disagree? Something like that. Let's suppose you are 50% agree or 50% disagree, right? How you need to be write your essay? You need to be write a introduction sentence in introduction only, ठीक है, that I agree with the statement, but I have some reservations. But I have some reservations. It means आप उसके साथ 50% agree हो and 50% disagree हो, ठीक है? You're 50% agree and you're 50% disagree. When you have to be, write this kind of sentence. I agree with the statement, but I have some reservations. Right? Let's suppose you are 100% agree or disagree. You have to simply write, I completely agree, I completely agree or disagree with the statement. ठीक है? That is something you need to be write accordingly. ठीक है? I completely agree or disagree with the statement when you are 100% agree or disagree with something. Right? That is a second case. Let's suppose if you are 70% agree and 30% disagree, then how you need to be write it down? So this is something, on the whole, I agree or disagree, whatever you are, add with the statement. I agree or disagree with the statement, but I have one reservation. One reservation means you're 30% you're talking about, and some reservations means you're 50%. I agree with the statement, but I have some reservations. Okay? On the whole, I agree or disagree with the statement, but I have one reservations. That is something 70-30. Okay? Also, let me tell you how you need to be write your essay while you are 70% agree and 30% disagree. Okay? So the statement I have already given to you, that what you need to be write accordingly. Then in body para 1 you have to be write, let's suppose, 2 ideas of agreement. Okay? You are 70% agree. Now you are 30% disagree. So one idea of disagreement, sorry, one idea of agreement plus one disagreement. This is 30% and this is 70%. That is how you need to be write. Make sure you are following the ideal structure. How? Introduction, body para 1, body para 2 and conclusion. And whenever you are writing in this particular argumentative type of essay or something like that, you need to be checked that there should be always 2 ideas only in each paragraph. In sum total you have to be write only 4 ideas in whole essay. Right? So these are the types of essay. There is one type of essays left, that is something interesting, which I'll be teaching in the next coming video. Till then, these are the generic and the most important type of essay which you need to be understand as the IELTS perspective of writing module. So please make your notes, and you can have a number of multiple documentation, and we are here to assist you out for IELTS examination also, your PDR Global. So yes, this is all about try to understand easily, and you can have their sessions as well. All the very best guys, good luck.